दे दीजिए, पर्दाफाश हो आज।
What they do, lo and behold, they rake up this disgusting array, volley, shall I say, of abuses, but it is a water of a duck's back for Narendra Modi. कौन से ईयर में हुई थी राजीव गांधी की डेथ, अब्दुल जी? क्या कहा था आपने?
1992 में। 1992
अच्छा, पहले
में
तो
आरएसएस के लोग
हाँ।
आरएसएस के लोग लगातार उन्हें 30 साल से गालियां दे रहे हैं। आपने कभी डिबेट करी
आप
उसके
सुन
ऊपर?
लीजिए, आप सुन लीजिए अब्दुल जी, मैंने
आप
आपको टाइम भी
अपना
दिया, आधा टाइम
इतिहास
भी दिया।
थोड़ा सा दुरुस्त कर लीजिए अब्दुल बासित जी।
अब्दुल जी देखिए प्लीज, मैं आई बीन वेरी पोलाइट, पिछले 5 मिनट से मेरे को
लोअरिंग योर फेडर अब्दुल बासित,
Yeah.
लोअरिंग योर फेडर आनंद रंगनाथन ओनली।
हाँ, मुझे आप जो भी बोतल से पी रहे हैं वो आप पीते रहिए, मुझे बस 2 मिनट दीजिए। नाविका, इफ एवरी टाइम नरेंद्र मोदी गॉट अ रूपी फॉर when he was abused, vilified, slandered, called all sorts of names, trust me, he'll be a billionaire by now. The fact of the matter is that what has been said today is reprehensible, and it's so demeaning in a way to every politician worth his or her salt that I find it very difficult to even comment on it. I mean, he's just not restricted himself, Mr. Lalu Prasad Yadav, to commenting on Narendra Modi or what he may be like. He's been called Yamraj, धोबी का कुत्ता, he's been called all sorts of names, Hitler, खून की खेती करने वाला, मौत का सौदागर, all sorts of things. But never has, the limit been raised or the bar being lowered to, include his late mother as well as the family and the instances where such kind of, I find it even, cringeworthy to even mention what was said. Point number 2 is, it is also a fact that Narendra Modi has also said things that were egregious and other people took offense to. But it has never crossed this line. Yes, Sanjay is right about Jersey cow, and that happened in 2004 in an election rally where he was comparing the symbol of Congress, erstwhile symbol of cow and calf, and he said nowadays cows and calf are imported, they are Jersey. So yes, he did make that statement. He did not name Rahul Gandhi or Sonia Gandhi, but the reference was absolutely to them because in that speech, he did mention both of them. So yes, it is true. And later on, he also apologized for it. Will Lalu ever apologize for it? No, he won't.